Imagine stepping into a world where 3,500 birds from over 400 species all live together. That's bird paradise in Singapore, Asia's largest bird. Here, you don't just look at birds, you walk inside their world. There are giant work-thor aviaries, each themed like a different part of the planet, from the African forests to the Amazon jungle and the Australian outback. You can stand in front of a roaring waterfall, surrounded by flamingos. Watch colorful macaws fly right over your head, and see penguins waddling around in an icy cove, all in the same park. Bird Paradise is also a hospital, nursery and school for birds. Endangered species like the Philippine eagle and blue-throated macaw are bred and protected here, with scientists working behind the scenes to save them from extinction. And the best part, you can hand-feed lorikeets, hear the forest come alive in bird shows, and catch those crazy slow-motion wing flaps for your perfect YouTube video.
In this video, I've hidden an emoji. Let's see if you guys can find it. This is the penguin enclosure from the top. This is one of the aviary walkways. As you can see, there are many varieties of birds on the tree. This is a tree full of birds which are chirping. This is the play area for kids near the park and around 50 meters from the Sky Amphitheater. In the Sky Amphitheater, you can watch two major shows, Predators on Wings and Wings of the World. On the top of the play area, there's trampolines and a place where you can climb up. This is me climbing up. This is a clip where I saw a snake eating the head of a frog. Frog is alive. This is the Crimson Wetlands, where you can see so many flamingos. They all move in groups. Did you know flamingos get their pink color from eating shrimp and algae, which contain a pigment called carotenoid? I hope you guys found the emoji. Please like and subscribe.